Are you searching for the best stocks to buy in March 2025? After extensive research, I've pinpointed 6 high-potential stocks poised for massive gains. These are not just random picks. Each company boasts strong fundamentals, rapid revenue growth, and industry-transforming potential. Whether you're looking for high-growth disruptors or solid blue-chip investments, this list has something for you. Let's dive in. SoFi Technologies Nasdaq SoFi is revolutionizing fintech with its stock surging 98% over the past year. I currently hold 3,000 shares at an average price of $15.70. Key growth metrics: revenue growth. Q4 2024. Revenue hit $2.6 billion, reflecting a 26% year-over-year increase. Lending business strength. Personal loans, $5.3 billion, 63% year-over-year growth. Student loans, $1.3 billion, 71% year-over-year growth. Home loans, $577 million, 87% year-over-year growth. Expanding financial services, moving beyond lending into full-service digital banking, including investing, credit cards, and insurance. Institutional and retail interest, strong backing from hedge funds and retail investors. Why I'm buying more? SoFi's integrated financial ecosystem creates long-term customer value. At under $20 per share, this stock is a bargain. Archer Aviation NYSE ACHR is pioneering electric vertical takeoff and landing or eVTOL aircraft set to disrupt urban transportation. Key catalysts: stock performance, up 90% in the past 12 months. Strategic partnerships: United Airlines, $10 million deposit for 100 eVTOL aircraft. Stellantis, $150 million investment to scale production. And Dural Industries defense contract collaborations. With government-backed defense contracts fueling growth, ACHR could be a multi-bagger stock. I am aggressively adding shares and selling $8 put options to optimize my entry points. Google's parent company, Alphabet Nasdaq Google, remains an undervalued tech giant. Why Google is a strong pick search monopoly, dominates 90% of global search, securing steady ad revenue. AI innovation, leading in Google Gemini AI and Tensor Processing Units, or TPUs, for advanced AI applications. YouTube's strength: AI may replace text, but video remains irreplaceable, ensuring sustained growth. Valuation trades at 21 times forward earnings, making it cheaper than Amazon at 34 times and Nvidia at 58 times. A stable, blue-chip stock with AI exposure, Google is a must-own in 2025. Quantum computing is a multi-trillion-dollar industry in the making, and IonQ, ticker symbol IonQ, is a front-runner. Now, let's dive into the investment thesis. First, IonQ's superior technology. Their trapped ion approach is more scalable than IBM and Google's models. Second, they have strong cash reserves, with $382 million earmarked for research and development and expansion. Third, government contracts. Just one major contract could send IonQ stock soaring. So, this high-risk, high-reward stock is worth a 1% portfolio allocation for speculative investors. Nvidia, ticker symbol NVDA, remains the ultimate AI infrastructure play. Here's why Nvidia is a must-own. First, the AI boom tech companies are projected to spend $2 trillion on AI infrastructure, with Nvidia as the key supplier. Second, stock rebound. Nvidia dipped to $116 but has since rebounded above $140, with more upside potential. Third, massive growth potential. Nvidia's dominance in GPUs and data centers makes it a long-term winner. If you missed the AI rally last year, this is your second chance to buy Nvidia at a reasonable price. Upstart, ticker symbol UPST, is revolutionizing lending with its AI-driven loan approval system. Let's look at some key metrics. First, revenue surge. Q4 2024 revenue is up 56% year-over-year. Second, loan volume $2.1 billion in Q4 2024, up 68% year-over-year. Third, AI edge. Upstart uses thousands of data points beyond credit scores to lower default risk. With a $7.5 billion market cap, Upstart has room to grow past $10 billion in 2025. These 6 stocks offer a blend of high-growth fintech, AI, quantum computing, and blue-chip stability. Whether you prefer Google and Nvidia for stability or IonQ and Archer Aviation for explosive potential, this list has you covered. What's your next move? Are you buying any of these stocks? Let me know in the comments. And for more deep dive stock research, Hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update.